Good evening, everybody. This is Ablash, assistant professor in the civil engineering department, which is from the Chevrolet Engineering College, which deals the subject with hydraulics and hydraulic machines. Topic 3 and topic 3 is different problems on open channel flows in the unit 1. Problems on the series constant in the different ways. Find the discharge of the trapezoidal channel of width 8 meters and side slope of side slope is given is 1 by 1 horizontal to 3 vertical. The depth of the flow of water is 2.4 meters and value of series constants is also given 50. The slope of the bed of the channel is I value is given as 1 by 4,000. Once again see the given data. Width of the channel is the channel shape is trapezoidal channel. Here we take the channel is trapezoidal channel and find the discharge, how much discharge will be flow in the trapezoidal channel. Now width of the channel is here 8 meters given, depth of the channel is given small d equal to 2.4 meters, side slope is given, side slope is here is b into e, horizontal is b, vertical is e, b equal to side slope 1 horizontal to 3 vertical means 1 by 3 is given, both sides side slope is 1 by 3 is given. Slope of the bed I is given as bed slope small I is given as 1 by 4,000. Here C is the depth, C equal to small d equal to depth of the small d depth is equal to C equal to 2.4 meters. PE we find now we require to find BE value. So for the find of the BE value, take the small d 2.4 into side slope value 1 by 3. Side slope value 1 by 3. Small d 2.4 into side slope value 1 by 3. Multiply that two values, we getting the BE value. BE small BE value and both sides the BE value is taken as 0.8 meters and both sides BE value is taken as 0.8 meters. Now we find out the top width of the channel. How much is the width of the top width of the channel? For that, top width equal to CD. CD equal to AB. AB plus 2 into BE. To both sides, BE is same as on the both sides. So we take as 2 into BE. Already you find the B value 0.8. So sub the values in that equation. AB value 8 plus 2 into BE. B value is 0.8. 2 into 0.8. Finally getting the value 9.6 meters. Top width of the channel is DC is we find CD value equal to 9.6 meters. 9.6 meters. Find the area of trapezoidal channel. Area is AB into CD. Area of trapezoidal channel is equal to AB into CD. Bottom width AB into top width of the channel CD. Both is mixing is called as a trapezoidal channel. Now area A equal to AB plus bottom width of the channel plus top width of the channel CD into side width CE by 2 half of the side width. So bottom width of the channel AB equal to 8 plus CD value top width of the channel. Previously find out the 9.6 into side width CE equal to 2.4 by 2. So this total value is getting is 21.12 meter square. 21.12 meter square. The area of the trapezoid, area of the trapezoid channel we finally get is 21.12 meters. Area of the AB, see the area of the trapezoid channel finally you get 21.12 meter square. Weighted perimeter value, total weighted perimeter of the trapezoid channel is P equal to AB, AB plus BC into AD. AB plus BC into AD. Here BC and AD are both are equal. Here BC and AD is BC equal to AD. Both are equal. So AB plus 2BC, 2BC, 2BC. But here we require to find out the BC value. We require to find out the BC value also. For that BC equal to by the here we are using the by using the Pythagoras theorem. By the using of Pythagoras theorem, BC equal to root of BE whole square plus CE whole square plus CE whole square root of BE whole square plus CE whole square. Here BE value is 0.8 whole square plus CE value we are getting here 2.4 small t value. C is nothing but small t value whole square. Finally, getting the BC value is 2.529 meters. 2.529 meters. Substitute this value in the weighted perimeter equation. You're getting AB. AB value. AB equal to 8 plus 2 into BC value. Now you find the BC. Here you find the BC value 2.529 meters. 2.529 meters. Finally, the weighted perimeter value is you will getting 13.058 meters. 13.058 meters. Now we are going to find out the hydraulic mean depth. Hydraulic mean depth equal to small m. The ratio of weighted area channel of weighted perimeter of the channel. Already find out the weighted area of the trapezoid channel is 21.12 by the weighted perimeter value of trapezoid channel is find out here 13.058. Both divided the both values we getting 1.617 meters. Hydraulic mean depth value is find out the 1.617 meters. 1.617 meters. Now in the question find the discharge of the trapezoidal channel. So from the Cherish constant value for find out the discharge value is the formula is Q equal to AC root mi. Q equal to AC root mi. A equal to 12.12. A equal to 21.12 whole square. 21.12 whole square into already has given Cherish constant value is 50. Root of small m value is you are getting hydraulic mean depth value 1.617 meters. 1.617 meters into 1 by small I value. Bed slope value is given 1 by 4000. Total value is given. Total value is comes out result as a 21.23 meter cube per second. Total discharge is equal to 21.23 meter cube per second. This is the discharge value by using find out the discharge value for the trapezoidal channel by using the Cherish constant equation. Next one is next problem. Going to next problem. This is one of the shape of the channel. This is one kind of shape of the channel. Half of the shape of the channel is rectangle channel. Remaining half of the channel is semicircular channel. For this kind of channels, you need to find out in the question you asked, find the discharge of the water to the channel. For this kind of channel, how much discharge will be passed out from the channel? We need to find out that value by using Cherish constant value. For this problem, already given Cherish constant value 60, bed slope of the channel 1 by 2000 is given here. By using this, we find out the discharge of this channel. Now find out the area of this total channel. Area First take the rectangle channel area A B C D. Next take the semicircular channel BEC, semicircular channel BEC. Now area is 1.2 into 1.2 is depth of the up to the only rectangle channel, up to the only rectangle channel. The depth of the channel is 1.2 up to the semicircular channel. Both rectangle channel and the remaining semicircular channel, both depth is including both depth is 2.7 meters. 2.7 meters. So you take the area of the total both two channels, total both rectangle and the semicircular channels. 1.2 into 2.7 meters. 1.2 into 2.7 meters plus area of this semicircle channel. Formula for the area of semicircle channel is pi r square by 2. Here r value, radius value is also given. Here semicircular channel radius value is also given. The area of the semicircular channel is pi r square by 2. Total area of the channel means both rectangle channel and semicircular channel. Both rectangular channel and semicircular channel is 1.2 into 2.7. Here is some mistake is there. 3.0 not 3.0 is 2.7 meters. Now 1.2 into 1.2 into 2.7 is equal to how much? 2.7. 3.9. This value is wrong. Here is some wrong. 3.9 plus r is equal to pi r square. Pi into 1.5 whole square by 2. So this total area of the channel is 7.134 meters square. Total area of channel is including both rectangle channel and semicircular channel 7.134 meters. Wetted perimeter of the channel. P equal to, now find out here, find out here area of the channel. Now find out the wetted perimeter of the channel. AB plus BEC plus CD. Total of both rectangular and semicircular channels. We consider the both channels of wetted perimeters. Both channels of wetted perimeters is first is AB plus BEC plus CD. Here AB, depth of the rectangle channel is equal to AB is 1.2 plus BEC is a semicircular value. Semicircular value is area of the semicircular is pi r plus CD value. CD value here CD equal to AB, both are same. So both values same as 1.2. So 1.2 plus pi into R value is semicircular, radius value is R 1.5 is given plus 1.2. Both total value is 7.1124 meters. 7.1124 meters. The wetted perimeter value is 7.1124 meters. Now find out the hydraulic mean depth value. Hydraulic mean depth value is small m. The ratio of wetted perimeter of the this channel by wetted perimeter of this channel. Area, find out the area of the channel is 7.134 by wetted perimeter value 7.1124. The total wetted perimeter hydraulic mean depth value is given. We will getting 1.003. Now find out the distance of the channel. Find out the discharge of the channel from the series constant. The formula for the discharge of the channel is Q equal to AC root mi. Q equal to AC root mi. Here area is getting 7.134 into already series constant value is given 60 into root of m hydraulic mean depth value 1.003 into I value. Bed slope of the channel is already given 1 by 2000. Finally, value is getting 9.585 meter cube per second. 9.585 meter cube per second. Finally, the discharge value is 9.585 meter cube per second of the channel. This is one of the problem. Let's going to see the next problem. This is also here given trapezoidal channel. For this trapezoidal channel, find the find the bed slope of the channel. Find the bed slope of the channel. In previous channels, the bed slope of the channel value is given, but in this problem, he asked find the slope of the channel. So you need to require to find out the bed slope of the channel. But in this problem is given discharge value. Previous problems he asked to find the discharge value and give the bed slope of the channel. But in this channel in reverse, vice versa, find the bed slope of the channel small I and given discharge value is given. So here breadth of the channel is 6 meters, depth of the channel is 3 meters, side slope of the channel. Slide slope means B into E. BE. BE is the slide slope. B is the side slope. Side slope value is given 3 horizontal to 4 vertical because it is given as 3 by 4. 3 horizontal to 3 horizontal. B is 3. CD, CE for CE 4 is given. The total the slope is 3 by 4. Consider as 3 by 4. Bed slope value is, you need to find out the bed slope value. Here is given only side slope value B, C value 3 by 4, 3 horizontal and 4 vertical. Need to find out the bed slope of the channel. We already given series constant value is 70. Here depth of the channel is CE is equal to CE. CE is the depth of the channel is equal to 3 meters. Is equal to small d equal to 3 meters. BE equal to, now you required to need to find out the distance of PE distance 3 into side slope value 3 by 4. So getting the value is 2.25 meters. Side slope value B is 2.25 meters. Both sides B value is same. So another side also taken as 2.25 meters. Now you require to find out the top width of the channel. Top width of the channel. Here given bottom width of the channel, but don't give the top width of the channel. You require to find out the top width of the channel. CD equal to AB plus 2 into BE. 2 into BE. Both sides B value is same. So you consider as 2 into BE. AB bottom width of the channel into 2 both sides B value is same. So you consider as B equal to B value is already find out the value 2.25 meters. So total top width of the channel CD is getting 10.50 meters. 10.50 meters. 10.50 meters. Here BC equal to AD. Here BC side width of channel BC, left side width of channel AD is both are same. Now getting the top width of the channel. Now find out the wetted perimeter of the channel. Wetted perimeter of the channel. For the formula for the wetted perimeter is AB plus AB AD plus AB plus BC. Here BC equal to AD. So AB equal BC equal to AD. So AB equal to 2 into BC. We write as 2 into BC. AB, BC are both the same. So we write as 2 into BC. So finally getting AB plus 2 BC. Now we require to find the value of BC. For that AB plus 2 into, by using Pythagoras theorem, root of BE square plus CE square. BE square plus CE square. So based on that formula, you substitute the values in that formula. AB value is given as 6 meters. Is 2 into root of B value already find out the B value 2.25 whole square plus 3 value CE value is given already given as 3 meters 3 square. Finally wetted perimeter value is getting 13.5 meters. 13.5 meters. Area of the flow. Now find out area of the flow. Area of the trapezoidal channel. ABCD, area of the trapezoidal channel ABCD. So AB plus CD into CE. AB plus CD into CE by 2 is the formula of the area of the trapezoidal channel is AB plus CD into CE by 2. So here AB value is 6, the CD value is carpet of the channel already we find out the carpet of the channel CD value 10.50 by 2 into C value how much we are getting. C value is already given is 3 meters. So finally area of the flow or area of the this trapezoidal channel is 24.75 meter square. 24.75 meter square. Now coming to the find out hydraulic mean depth value. Small m equal to A by P wetted area by wetted perimeter. Wetted area equal to find out the wetted area to 24.75 by perimeter value. Perimeter value 13.5 meters. Both divided the value is 1.833. 1.833. Hydraulic mean depth value is 1.833. Now find out the discharge. Find out the not discharge. He is asking in the question bed slope of the channel. So discharge value is given. So find out the formula is Q equal to AC root mi. Discharge value is given is 30 meter cube per second equal 30 meter cube per second. So 30 equal to A equal to A is area of the channel 24.75. C is already Chedis constant value is given 70 into root of m value. Hydraulic mean depth value is here we find 1.833 into y. So 30 equal to this whole value is getting as 2345.6 into root I. We need to find out the I value, bed slope of the channel. So only you take outside this value small I equal to 30 by this value 2345.6 value is coming to the denominator. This root value is coming to the right hand side. This value is given become as root value is coming taken to the right hand side. The value is given as square value. So for a bed slope you need to take in the fractions. Here bed slope is you need to take in the fractions form. So 30 value is coming to denominator. Here 1 is any remaining value is 1. So 1 by 2345.6 by 30 whole square. This 30 value is coming to the denominator of this value. Remaining value is getting 1 equal to 1 by this whole value 2345.6 by 30 whole square value is getting as 6013. Finally we are getting the value of bed slope of the channel is I equal to 1 by 6133. In this problem asking only bed slope of the channel and given discharge of the channel. Previous and side slope of the channel. In previous problems asking discharge value, given side slope of the channel and bed slope of the channels. Find the rate of the flow of the two-way V-shaped channel. Here previously we see the trapezoidal channel and half rectangle channel and this half semi-circular channel like that. But in this channel we take the channel shape is V-shaped channel or triangular channel. For this channel, what is the discharge or rate of flow is flowing? We need to find the rate of flow. Here we changes the different. We take the different channels, changes the differentiation of the channels, but procedure is same. Find the rate of the channel. Find the or discharge of the channel. First is given as physics constant is 55. The slope of the channel small a equal to 1 by 1000. The depth of the channel small d equal to 4.0 meters. So angle made by each side of the vertical channel. By this vertical channel, angle is made as angle ABD in the left side, in right side angle CBD. Both are equal to 30 degrees. Angle is made by the triangle channel is 30 degrees by angle ABD by angle BCD or CBD. So you need to find out the area of the V-shaped channel, area of the ABC. Need to find out the area of the ABC. For that, you take that 2 into area of ABD. Take the half of the V-shaped channel is area of the ABD into 2 into 2. Finally getting total area ABC. Total area ABC. So 2 into AD into the ABD, AD into BD by 2, AD into BD by 2. Here numerator and denominator both 2 are cancelled. Finally we got AD into BD, AD into BD. But tan 30 equal to here in this half section, in this AB and ABD section, tan 30 equal to AD by BD. So you require to find the value of AD value. Here you require to find the value of AD value. For that, AD equal to BD into tan 30 value. BD into tan 30. So this problem such the value of AD in this equation. What is the value is getting AD value is BD into tan 30 into BD. BD into tan 30 into BD. Here BD value is getting, BD value is already is given 4. So substitute the value of BD value in this equation. 4 into tan 30 degrees into 4. 4 into tan 30 degrees into 4. The value of is given is getting area of the trapezoid channel is area of the V-shaped channel is getting 9.2376 meter square. 9.2376 meter square. Now wetted perimeter value is, find out the wetted perimeter value. AB into AB plus BC. Wetted perimeter value AB plus BC. So 2 into, for that here AB equal to AB value equal to BC value. AB value equal to BC value. So 2 into AB. We write the 2 into AB. But you need to find out the AB value. You need to find out the AB value. For that, by using Pythagoras theorem, we require to write 2 into BD square plus AD square. 2 into BD square plus AD square. Here 2 into BD square value is already given 4.00 whole square plus 4 into AD value is, here we find out the AD value is 4 into tan 30 whole square. 4 into tan 30 whole square. Finally getting the wetted perimeter value is 9.2375 meters. 9.2375 meters. Area of the V-shaped channel is 9.2377 meters. Wetted perimeter is value of V-shaped channel is 9.2375 meters. Both the now hydraulic mean depth value small m equal to hydraulic mean depth value small m equal to A by P equal to 9.2376 by 9.2375 is getting a value 1.0 meters. Getting the value 1.0 meters. Both hydraulic mean depth and perimeter value are nearly equal to same. So now find out the discharge or rate of flow of the channel of V-shaped channel. Q equal to AC root mi is the formula. Q is the AC A equal to 9.2376 into C constant, Chetty's constant value is given is 55. Root of M is value, hydraulic mean depth value 1 into I slope of the bed of channel is given 1 by 1000. Finally getting the value 16.066 meter cube per second. Finally rate of flow value is 16.066 meter cube per second. This is the rate of flow. Find the rate of flow for V-shaped channel. Next trapezoidal channel. By using trapezoidal channel, we find out the dead slope of the channel by using the Manning's formula. Here, by using the Manning's formula, previous problems, by using the risk constant, we find out the discharge of the channel for the trapezoidal channel or V-shaped channel and the different channels. Here for the trapezoidal channel, we find out the bed slope of the channel, by using the Manning's constant or Manning's formula. So here bed slope of the channel, bed width of the channel is 4 meters, depth of the channel is 3 meters, slide slope is given as slide slope of the channel is 2 horizontal, 2 vertical, means 2 by 3. Discharge value is given. 20.0 meter cube per second. 20.0 meter cube per second. Discharge value is 20.0 meter cube per second. Manning's constant value is given. Small n equals 0.003. Now find out the discharge. Find out the distance of BE. Find out the distance of BE. For that, small d into side slope of the channel. Small d into side slope of the channel. Small d means small 3 into 2 by 3. Here 3 are both are cancelled. Remaining value is 2 meters. So distance BE equal to 2 meters. Both sides the BE distance is same. So both sides the value is to taken as 2. Top width of the channel. Is CD. Find out the top width of the channel CD. CD equal to AB plus AB plus AB plus 2PE. AB plus 2PE. Both sides, you take the both sides value. Both sides value same. So that's why you take the 2PE. AB plus 2PE. A value is 4 plus 2 into BE value is 2. So finally top width of the channel is getting as 8 meters. Top width of the channel is getting as 8 meters. Area of the flow. Area of the trapezoidal channel. ABCD. Area of the trapezoidal channel is taken as AB plus CD by 2 into depth of the channel, small d. AB bottom width of the channel plus top width of the channel, small d. CD by 2 into depth of the channel D. So AB value is 4. You are getting already given. CD value is getting 8 value. Top width of the channel is 8 by 2 into depth of the channel is 3. So 18 meter square. Area of the trapezoidal channel 18 meter square is we will getting 18 meters square. Now find out the weighted perimeter of channel. Here AD equal to BC or BC equal to both are same value. So both are same. So AD equal to BC. So weighted perimeter is AD plus BC, AB plus BC, AD plus AB plus BC. So here both AD and BC are same. So we write as AB plus 2BC. But you need to require the value of BC value. So AB value 4 plus 2 into root of by use of Pythagoras theorem BE square into EC square. The BE square value is 2 whole square plus 3 CE square is 3 whole square. So final the equation is 4 plus 2 into root of 2 square plus 3 square. Finally, the value is weighted perimeter of trapezoidal is getting 11.21 meter. 11.21 meter. Hydraulic mean depth M equal to A by P. Formula area is getting 18 by weighted perimeter value is getting 11.21 meters. Finally, getting the hydraulic mean depth value 1.6057. By using the Manning's formula, we find out the bed slope. By using the Manning's formula, find out the bed slope. Here, Manning's formula equal to C equal to 1 by n m whole power 6. 1 by n. Manning's constant value 0.03 into m value 1.6057 whole square whole power 1 by 6. Whole power 1 by 6. That His constant value is 36.7. Find the bed slope of the channel. Substitute the value in the T equal to AC root my. T equal to AC root my. T equal to 2. A equal to 18. C is the value. Find out the value 36.07. M equal to hydraulic mean depth value 1.6057 root I. Based on that, we take the root I value one side and remaining values are fraction. From that, getting the I value. Here we take the circular channel. By using the circular channel, find the diameter of the circular channel, small d. Here find the small d value by using the Manning's constant. Only take the arm of the channel. only take the half of the circle channel. Here we only take the half of the circular channel. Half of the circular channel. Half of the circular channel. The water is taken up to the only half of the circular channel. Now flow of the water is taken as only up to the half of the channel. So we find in this problem we find the diameter of the circular sewer pipe. Find the diameter of the circular sewer pipe, capital D. Slope is given as I equal to 1 by 8,000. 1 by 8,000 and carries the discharge Q value. How much water will be discharged? Q value is 800 liters per second. So converted to meters by 1,800 by 1,000 equal to 0.8 meter cube per second. Converted into meters. Manning's constant is 0.020. Sewer pipe, diameter of the sewer pipe, small d. You need to find out the diameter of the sewer pipe, capital D, capital D. Depth of the flow, how much at how much depth the water is going to flow is small d. It is the value is equal to half of the capital D by 2. Area of the flow, A equal to pi by 4 into capital D square into pi by 2. Need to find out the area of the flow is equal to pi by 4 into capital D square, total severe pipe diameter into half of 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Water is flowing in the only half of the distance. That's why you take the 1 by 2. So this value pi into d square by 4 into 2 equal to 8. Pi d square by 8. Pi d square by 8. Area is pi d square by 8. Rated perimeter column is pi d by 2. Pi into total depth of the sewer pipe by 2. Hydraulic mean depth value m equal to a by p. So a by p value pi into d square by 8 by pi d by 2. Here d cancel, pi by cancel. D square 1d is remaining is 1d is here 2 2 2 power 8 equal to 2 in 2 power 4. So cancel power 4. Remaining 1d is there. Here value is 4 d by 4. Hydraulic mean depth value is getting a 4 d by 4, capital D by 4. Manning's equation is equal to 1 by n m power 1 by 6. C equal to 1 by n m power 1 by 6. The discharge value formula is Q equal to AC root mi. Q equal to AC root mi. So pi d square A equal to pi d square into 8 into C 1 by n. C value is steady constant value formula 1 by n whole power 1 by 6 root of m into y. So discharge value is given 0.80 pi by 4 capital D square into 1 by n value 0.00020 m into 1 by 6 into m 1 by 2 into root I. Here root is given to the m value is getting as 1. Root is converted into m 1 power 2 into root I. 5 by 8 capital D square into 1 by 0.20 meter 1 by 6 plus both take the common value denominators are same, so m into denominators are adding the denominators 1 by 6 plus 1 by 2 root of 1 by 8,000 I value is given as 1 by 8,000. So here 5 by 4 d square into 1 by 0.020 into m power 2 by 3 2 by here denominator value is getting the 2 by 3 because 2 3s are 6 1 plus 1 equal to 2, so 2 by 3 into 0.01118. This value is coming as root 1 by 8,000 value is coming as 0.03118. So here value is 5 by 8 equal to 5 by equal to 0.2 pi 0.2195 into d square into d power m equal to here m equal to value is d power d by 4. So substitute the value d by 4 into 2 by 3 d by 4 into 2 by 3. Now is the value is coming 0.2 0.195 by 4 power 2 by 3. This numerator, this power value is separate the both terms. So 0.2195 by 4 power 2 by 3 d square into d power 2 by 3. That value is getting is 0.0871 d power 8 by 3. D power 8 by 3. D square into d power 2 by 3 is getting as d power 8 by 3. D power 8 by 3. Now you need to find out the value of d, severe pi of the d. So this value is coming to left side, d power 8 by 3, 0.8087, 0. Value is 0.80 by 0.0871. Finally 9.1848 value is getting 9.1848 value is getting 9 equal to you transfer the power value to the right side. That's why this reverse, this value is getting to reverse. 9.184448 is 3 by 8. So finally d value is getting as 2.296 meters. 2.296 meters. These are the problems on the different shapes for different conditions by using Manning's constants and series constants. In all problems, same procedure is same. Given depth that is given, side slope is given, bed slope are the given. Find the discharge. For that, when you find out the procedure is find out the top width of the channel, bottom width of the channel is already given. Find the area of the channel, wetted perimeter of the channel. By the ratio of area and wetted perimeter of the channel, finally find out the hydraulic mean depth channel, hydraulic mean depth value. By using these values, we find out the subtra in the formula of Church's constant Q equal to AC root mi. Finally, you getting a discharge value. If sometimes discharge value is given, find the bed slope of the channel. Bed slope of the channel I value is, you need to find out the I value. So same procedure for all problems which is find by using the Church's constant or by using the Manning's constant. Next, these are the constant, Manning's constant and Gangler's cutter formula constant, and second one is Gangler's cutter formula constant, Beijing's constant. Manning's Gangler's cutter formula constant value also constant value also taken as n, and Manning's constant value also is taken as n. For both the values, these values are same. But Beijing's constant value for k, for different conditions, the value is changed based on this boundaries of the bed slope or roughness, based on the roughness type of the roughness of the bed slope or boundaries of the channel and type of the roughness of the channel. We are classified the Beijing's constant and cutter constants and Manning's constant. Both Manning's and cutter constants are value is equal to same, denoted as n. So now you see the for which type of the roughness, what is the value? Smooth cemented or plain wood. Smooth cemented or plain wood. The bed slope is the bed boundaries of the bed of the channel is smooth cemented or plain wood is, for that value K value is 0.11. Brick or concrete or unplaned wood, for the brick or concrete or unplaned wood 0.1. Rubble masonry or aslar or poor brick work. Rubble masonry or aslar or poor brick 0.83. 0.83. Earth and channel are very good surface. Earth and channel are very good surface 1.54. Earth and channel are ordinary surface. Earth and channel are ordinary surface 2.36. 2.36. Earth and channel are rough surface 3.17. These are the for this kind of channel surface. The values are like this. For Catters formula and Manning's formula for n value, the shape of the based on the roughness of the surface of the channel. Manning's value and Cutter's value. N is very smooth surface of glass, plastic or brass is 0.010. Smooth surface of concrete 0.012. Double masonry or poor brickwork 0.017. Earthen channels neatly excavated. His channel is value 0.018. Earthen channel are ordinary surface 0.027. Earthen channels of rough surface 0.0330. Natural streams clean and straight 0.030. Natural streams weeds the pools etc. 0.07.2 1.5. These are the values of Begins K value, Manning's value and Cutter's value and value based on the roughness of the based on the roughness surface of the roughness and the surface of the bed channel we are classified. These are the different problems on the series constant and the Manning's constant, the values of series and the K and the Manning's Cutter's value, N value. Next class we will discuss about some of the concepts and some of the problems.